Now it's starting to be real snow roads. Soon food time! Full moon. Heading north. See how the roads are. Should not snow today, so finger crossed. Yes. Let's go. Oh, this is beautiful. And I'm going to head to the highway to the north. Should be left here. What a morning! Beautiful. Yeah, had to stop. Sun is up. Let's go. Now it's starting to be real snow roads. Completely snow and ice. Transition. Can you please just overtake me? Thank you. Snow scooter and me. I am in Östersund now, refueled up. Checking the forecast, says it's gonna be really shitty weather if I go to the coast of Norway, and the north is pretty shitty as well. I'm like 1 day from the polar circle, but I think I will try to travel east now to dodge the weather a little bit, and then I can put more effort in filming with other camera, camping. So I think that's what I want to do. I've been lacking a bit of motivation of just driving. The inland road is a bit boring, and I've done it so many times. Especially now when the forecast says snow and snowstorm. It's like 10 days of snowstorm as well. So yeah, I will head to the mountains of Jämtland and Dalarna instead. There is some really nice roads there. If I manage to get a weather window there, I think I can get some funny shots and some really nice camping. So yeah, we'll see. That's my plan right now, at least. Fuel break for me as well. Almost 12. Well deserved. Oh, I might find a good wind cover for sleeping, but it's hard to walk there and back. Burning energy. Looks like a nice wind shelter though. I stopped like there, so I haven't seen how it looked inside yet. How it looks inside. But soon. Looks harder than what it is. No. Opposite. It's harder than it looks. I have some heavy bags. I don't think I want to leave them here on the road. Maybe I should grab them. Whew. The last bags. Leaving my clothes here. I hope no one steals it. But this is the heavy one. Blue hour. It will be pitch black soon, I think. Clock is 3. Yeah, there's not much to do now. I guess I'll wait 1 or 2 hours and then I will make food. And then I will bring out my sleeping bag. I don't need a tent tonight. And I don't have any signal here, but I have downloaded some podcasts, so maybe I can listen to that soon. And then try to go to bed early. Not much to do, as I said, but that's how it is traveling this time of the year. Don't want to drive in the darkness. It looks more beautiful in real life. Now it's pitch dark, 5 o'clock. I think that I can start cook, eat. I kind of want to go to sleep now. Maybe I can go to sleep at 8. That's probably too early as well. We see. It's chilly, but better that it's cold than this 0 degrees shit. Then everything gets wet. So yeah. Dark. Soon food time. Sleeping bed is out. A sleeping bag, sleeping pad. Have to be careful because I have studs on my boots. Don't want to puncture the sleeping pad. That would be really, really bad. So it's 20 minutes to 9 o'clock. I will jump down in the sleeping bed now. Sleeping bag. Different day. But I think I made a good decision. I think trying to find sun will make me a bit more happier and get the motivation back. Good night. Yeah. Good night.
Good morning. The hardest part of camping in winter is definitely to jump out of the sleeping bag in the morning. Truck is incoming. Now the time between sleeping bag and have all clothes on you It's a cold start in the morning, but also very refreshing. But yeah, to jump off the sleeping bag is a bit harder. Time to pack the things up and I'm gonna wait with breakfast, I think. I'm gonna eat the chocolate and then head on a little bit. Started to pack a little bit. So nice with no snow to brush off today. Just first like the view of that. It's a really nice morning. No wind, quiet, and some birds are singing. So, seems like the weather window is tomorrow if I want to have a good shot on the mountain in Härjedalen. So, leaving now, gonna grab some breakfast at a McDonald's or something and go to toilet. Feels like it's unnecessary to do it here when I can do it there, it's pretty close. So yeah, let's start today with just driving in grey weather like I've been in almost all other days. A bit depressing, but maybe some sun tomorrow. That would be nice. Made it. Time for junk food. And I need to see what that is. Looks interesting. Funny. It's like melting weather. I'm 100 kilometers from the highest road. We say that? The road above most sea level in Sweden. It's open sometimes when it's not storm. I hope it's open tomorrow. And it will be some sun as well. It's a little bit tricky road there. It's a little bit snowy, especially now when it's not the best weather. But I'm doing a try tomorrow morning and hope I can get there. Now we'll take a shower. That's gonna be nice. So there is the road I'm going tomorrow, not the one from the truck, but the one who goes straight there with the yellow and red sign of 70. And that's very muddy at the moment. Muddy. Like a lot of snow, but not icy. A lot of just slushed snow. So we'll see how it behaves tomorrow. We see. I think they have problem with the truck. I will go to pizzeria now. There should be a pizzeria in this small town.
Full. Mission complete. You can't really feel it here because we are a bit in shelter, but it's very windy now, and it's gonna be windy tomorrow as well. So I hope they don't close the road. And I hope it's not too sketchy to drive in as well. Now I'm gonna have a good sleep at least. And yeah, rest up for tomorrow.